This is how you can use the silence detection feature in Filmora. So the goal of this tool is to remove any awkward silence in the video. So the video is going to be more compact, and if you have a long video and there are a lot of awkward silence in the dialogue, then you could easily remove that by using this AI tool. Now I'm going to demonstrate that by using this video from Charlie. He's very fluent and a lot of his videos don't have cuts, but there are still some silent part of the video that we can remove easily using the silence detection feature. Now what you need to do is you have to select the clip that you want to edit and then click on this tool called silence detection right here. And here you have the option to adjust the setting. Honestly, I think I don't want to change the setting. I think for me this is work best, but of course you can play around with the duration, threshold, volume, and also the softening buffer. And once you're done, you can click analyze and just wait until it's finished. This process is actually can take quite some time depending on the length of the video. So I guess we have to wait, and I'm going to speed up the video so we can see the result later. Alright, it is almost finished. Okay, now it is finished and this is the result. If you look closely, these are basically all the cuts that are going to be applied to the video, and if you're happy with the result, you can click finish and replace. Okay, so this is the final result. As you can see, there are a lot of cuts in the video. I can show it to you by selecting this part, and let's click play.
Check this out. I just passed one hand through the other, and you'll never be able to figure out how I did it. Half a trillion also has...
Yep, something like that. And now the final duration of this video is becoming 7 minutes and less than 8 minutes basically. But the original video was 8 minutes and 51 seconds. So definitely there is a substantial reduction of the whole duration of the video. So that's how you can use the silence detection feature in Filmora. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.